5 times in a row I seen you flip, yeah. 5 times in a 5 times in a row I seen you flip, yeah. 5 times in a 5 times in a row I seen you flip, yeah. 5 times in a row.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Hopefully this is a weekly vlog. I am at my mother's house right now and I am in some gorgeous daylight. She has the best lighting coming through her front room. But I wanted to open up this vlog and say hello. Welcome. If you are new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content, go ahead and hit the like button as well. I'm just sitting here waiting on Fran to get here. We are going to put up 2 little light fixtures for my mom. She takes very good pride in her home, her and her husband, and they do upgrades. So we just wanted to gift a small little upgrade. But as soon as he gets here and we start working on that, I will pick you guys back up. Not sure what I'm doing later, but I will definitely pick the camera up then as well. All right, bye. Right here. So you want one of those. That's for the kitchen. And then you want one for the hallway. You want the same color?
It can be black. I wouldn't make a difference. Can I get them all black?
You want black? Cute, cute. Now I told him I want mine changed. I was told that I was advised to get those in the first place, but I'm like, don't nobody need no night lights. I need a night light now.
You smell to it.
So we took down this one with those little bulbs.
There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 I
I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love me.
I wanna be with you. 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 I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way. Am I in the way? I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Go by the way. Open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That had a two for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Type will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Sunday. So I am up early, had to go and get gas in my car, and me and friend are going to get breakfast at our favorite spot, of course, Denny's. We got up hungry as all get out. I don't have much going on today other than trying to do my laundry that I was supposed to do on Friday, but I was too lazy, did not feel like doing it. So that's what I'm going to do later on today. But I will pick you guys back up at the restaurant because I know it's probably a little noisy right now. All right. Hey guys, so I just made it home and I just figured I would sit down and just talk to you guys a little bit. Hopefully the noise from the washing machine is not too loud and that you can hear me clearly. But when I mentioned in the past few vlogs that I have been struggling, emotional and, with grief. On February 1st, my sister gained her wings and she has passed away. This is like so difficult for me. I don't know if you've watched any of my previous vlogs, any of my travel vlogs or whatnot. You will see my sister and I together. I don't want to talk much on it because I know I'm going to get too emotional again. But I also, 5 days after I lost my sister, and I'm not going to say I lost her because she's always with me, but 5 days after she gained her wings, my aunt gained her wings as well. So I had 2 funerals back to back, and it's difficult. I'm sure if you've lost a loved one, and especially someone that is really close to you, that it's hard. It's hard to deal with, but I am really trying to dig deep into my faith to get through this hard time. So today was a little better, getting up this morning. Yesterday evening or afternoon, I spent time with my mother, doing some home projects with her and my stepdad. And it gave me comfort. It really gave me a lot of comfort. But if you are someone who has a loved one that is still here on earth that you adore and you love spending time with, make sure that you spend as much time as possible that you can, because we don't know what our futures hold for us. We don't know what God's plan is for us. And you don't want to feel like you've lost out when that person is no longer here on earth with you. They may be with you in spirit, in your heart, in your mind, but not physically here that you can pick up that phone and call. That is something that I'm struggling with a lot of. Me and my sister talk every day for hours throughout the day, about everything. If I got a question, just want to vent, whatever, I pick up that phone and I call her, and I don't have her call anymore. We did have our sibling, little tussles or whatever for, I want to say about 7 months or so. It may have been a little bit longer than that, but we disagreed, or we had a little bit of an argument, and we didn't talk for months. And when I say we didn't talk for months, we didn't go anywhere, we didn't do anything together. The only thing we did was send, a happy birthday, if it was a holiday, things like that. But I feel like I missed that time with her, and I pray every day, to heal me from that thought. I could have spent more time and not been, negative, or, us being upset with each other over something so stupid, But, it's neither here nor there. It's the past, and it is what it is. But I just wanted to share that with you guys because I like to be transparent as to what's going on in my life. And, if I'm kind of absent or whatnot, is because I'm trying to cope. I'm trying to deal with things. And again, it's difficult. It's really hard. But I am going to go ahead and finish off my Sunday. And I also wanted to mention, I was listening to or watching a vlog of Rock Just Living, and she was listening to a pastor, and I have been trying to find a pastor like Pastor Hannah at New Life Covenant Church that I can relate, or not relate to, but I can understand his sermons and understand the word, and try, like I said, digging into my faith. And when I heard him, I'm like, you know what, that might be somebody I can listen to. And I swear, on a daily, multiple times a day, am I listening to Rock City Church, Pastor Mike Jr. McClure, I think is his last name. Really, really good pastor. He's my age, and I can relate to when he's speaking and when he's, preaching a word and things of that sort. And it's comforting. It's very, very comforting to hear, things that I can understand. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get off this camera now, and I'll pick you guys up either later or tomorrow. All right, bye.